The key is we transfer data from between them and their suppliers electronically through structured data format.
Our partnership with P2 Insight goes back several years. Mike Popovic has had a vision for implementing Maximo e-commerce going back many years, and we're privileged to be part of that. We bring kind of the functional team together, and they've got the technical and integration team, and it's been a great synergy.
We made a decision, we made an observation that supply chain management was an integral part of asset management, but we felt no one was really addressing it seriously in the marketplace. So we made the decision to take on that, focus on that exclusively on supply chain management. And I tell you, that decision was a tough decision for a startup to make. Initially, very few customers bought the story, saw the value proposition, and took us up on it. And Skookum was one of the first ones to do so. They saw the vision, they believed in the vision, they took the leadership role and became one of our primary customers that we worked with, we engaged with, and they entrusted us with their key supply chain management processes and believed in us and gave us the opportunity to shine.
Our technicians, we've reduced their processing time dramatically, so they have increased wrench time, more productive work. And we also are able to leverage discounted e-catalogs and have saved approximately $100,000 per year at Whidbey Island.
The key is we transfer data from between them and their suppliers electronically through structured data format. Maximo can do wonderful things with it once it gets data in structured format. The value add that we bring to the table and what we're trying to achieve with Skookum is basically threefold. We want to integrate them with their suppliers, we want to automate the processes, and we want to optimize the processes. For 8 years we've been struggling trying to convince the world that this is a worthy cause, that supply chain management is an integral part of asset management, and we're seeing more and more customers jumping on the concept, attending some of our group meetings and so forth. And this reward is the pinnacle of that recognition that the world is seeing that yes, supply chain management is an integral part of asset management.
We really appreciate Reliability.web sponsoring Maximo World, bringing that community back together. Presentations, collaboration, and awards, it's really what is needed for this community.